Old Mutual, in partnership with JAM, are continuing to put in some work even after the Soweto Marathon. The two partners have donated a green kitchen and mattresses from the Race Village to the Miracle Day Care Center in Eikenhof. The center houses children from a farm community.
Thousands of runners every single year flock to Gauteng for the heritage route, which is the Soweto Marathon. The unfortunate part, however, is the amount of runners that have to sleep under a bridge or squat the night before big race. With that in mind, a race village was created.
So this past Sunday was the Soweto Marathon, where we had 26,000 runners doing the various races. However, we found that there are lots of athletes that are really good, but they don't have a place to stay, and as a result, this was the first year in the many years of Soweto Marathon that we hosted underprivileged athletes at Morris Isaacson School at the Runners Village. So Runners Village is something that Old Mutual does for comrades. We do it for Two Oceans, and we decided, you know what, it doesn't mean that Soweto is close to home or within a community, the marathon that is. There are underprivileged runners from far afield that also want to participate, but they can't because they don't have transport, they don't have accommodation, and that's where the Runners Village was born. So this year on Sunday we had just over 450 underprivileged runners that stayed at Morris Isaacson.
Old Mutual, in partnership with JAM, has taken the initiative to extend its hand further by sponsoring a green kitchen and mattresses used by the village to the Miracle Daycare Center.
Here in Eikenhof, we've been working for the past 3 years, providing a nutritional food to children under 6 and over 6 months. But as part of that process, we've been helping the community, or particularly the Miracle Daycare Center, to upgrade its premises, and this is why we're here today, because of the donation of Old Mutual of a field kitchen, so the creche has a safe and secure and hygienic place to prepare food for the children.
The importance of the initiative focuses on healthy living and wellness, which is an important contributor to sports athletes. Many parents have aspirations of seeing their children in the green and gold.
But nomusaka nkulunkulu senyila enyamkyanje so nyabo isifiso sami nyafisa ukuthi phakathi kwabatwana laba kuwene 2 or 3 wazawe the best ama-wrestler ukuthi wazagijima wazadlala ibhora here in South Africa. When they ask their lives, they must stay. I will start here at the creche.
These are the moments that make sports special. After the dust has settled and the laces have been untied after a great Soweto Marathon, Old Mutual and JAM look to give back to the community. These are the moments that give us hope in sport. Malwandla Hlekane, Soweto TV Sports, Eikenhof.